Hello everybody, this is me, Bhuvan Kharel. How I have started motivating the student, how I have started inspiring the student, I want to show a brilliant example of this. I have got Sukriti Gautam for her wonderful speech here. I give floor to Sukriti Gautam.
Namaste and good morning everyone. It is me Sukriti Gautam and today I am here presenting myself as proudly as a VHKDL. It is located in Visalnagar, Kathmandu, but to deliver a short speech on sustainable development and its principle. But before beginning my speech, I would like to thank Bhuvan Kharel sir for inspiring me and motivating me for speaking today. So, sustainable development is a long-lasting development and it is eco-friendly development. It emphasizes upon the conservation of the environment, and it is widely accepted by all the countries of the world. In the context of Nepal as well, sustainable development has gained a wide priority and it has been emphasized in the constitutions and all the development activities. Some people might have the view that why sustainable development and why not the development? Yes, definitely, development cannot be ignored, but can you assure that the development will last till the long? No, you cannot assure that. Simply explaining by it and by an example, if a construction of the bridge is happening in the place, but it may last till only 1 or 2 years, then what is the use of that development? It becomes the useless. So sustainable development is something that lasts till the futures, and the future generation can also use them, including the present generations. So in my view, sustainable development is something that must given more priority and importance. So on the same behalf, let's discuss some of the principles of the sustainable development. The major principles of the sustainable development are conservation of the ecosystem. Ecosystem is the interaction of all the biotic and abiotic factors of the environment. Ecosystem, the main component of the ecosystem is the main component of sustainable development is the conservation of the ecosystem, and the ecosystem rests on the environment. So the conservation of the ecosystem of the grass, water bodies, and lands, etc. are some of the examples which helps to preserve the conservation of the sustainable development. Development of the sustainable society. In a sustainable society, the factors like the health education, balanced food, and some of the other factors like the social security is present, and then the society becomes sustainable. If the social aspect of the sustainable development based on these factors, then it helps to develop a sustainable society. Development of the biodiversity. If we conserve the biodiversity, then that will definitely result in the sustainable society. Different types of animals rest in this planet, and they all have their different importance, and they all have their different importance, and their interaction based on the life on this planet. In the context of Nepal, we can take the example of the one-horned rhino. It is one of the pride of the Nepal, but we can see the people ignoring it and not giving it the importance. Why it is happening? This is a must raised question. So I want to say that conservation of the one-horned rhino is the most important priority, and we should focus on the conservation of the biodiversity. Population management, the environment, education, and health are the most of the factors that are interrelated with each other, and change in one of these and directly affect the another. So for example, if the population of the place grows, then there needs a more development. And more development means there is a more exploitation of the natural resources. So to preserve the exploitation of the natural resources, we need also to control the rapid population growth, and it should focus on more on the population management. Similarly, the another important principle of sustainable development is giving more priority to the human resource. Actually, humans are the more integral factor for the development of the sustainable development. It is because humans are the main actors for the development, for carrying out establishing a sustainable society and carrying out different types of development activities. For example, if I am very unaware about the sustainable development, then another human being who is more aware of the sustainable development can also give importance or show me the importance of sustainable development. So in my view, giving priority to human resources is also another important factor of sustainable development. Another important factor is conservation of the cultural heritages. We might be very much aware that our cultural heritages are our assets which are given to us by our ancestors, and they are our pride, and it is our responsibility to maintain the pride. What is the use of the sustainable development if our pride is also not conserved? So it is very important to conserve the cultural heritages and reflect us towards the last futures. For example, Pashupatinath, it is lasting since the years and years, and still we are feeling that is one of the conservation of the sustainable example of sustainable development, and it is lasting the future. Another important aspect is public participation based development. Public participation is a factor in which a group of people are involved in for a particular benefit. If there is a public participation, then the people of the marginalized and underprivileged group can also get the benefit because they get involved in the public participation, and those benefits which they have not received can also be gained by them. So the public participation emphasizes on the factors like conservation of the environment. Another basic principle is remaining within the limit of carrying capacity. The Earth has its own capacity to sustain in the environment. It has limited resources. If there is, the Earth has its own capacity to sustain in the resources, it has limited resources. For example, of the non-renewable sources of the energy, we all know that non-renewable sources are very less in the nature, and it takes millions or billions of years to regain if lost. So we should preserve these non-renewable resources. The great scientist Stephen Hawking also once said that the life in the Earth is only living up to 10 decades. Why is it happening? Because the Earth is going beyond its carrying capacity. So we should mainly focus on our Earth and stay within the limit of the carrying capacity of the Earth. Another important factor is improvement of the quality of the life. Definitely, sustainable development is a long-lasting and eco-friendly development. That means it has the both win-win situation. And on one hand, it preserves it has the long-lasting development. On the other hand, it conserves the environment. It enables the people to get the benefit of both the development as well as the environment, and which helps to improve the quality of the life. Another important factor of sustainable development is the conservation of the environment. Sustainable development mainly focuses on the conservation of the environment. It is because sustainable development is sustainable development is given more priority, because without a good environment, how can the development become sustainable? It also focuses on the biodiversity and ecosystem, because sustainable development is morely possible only with the conservation of the biodiversity and ecosystem. So these were some of the principles of the sustainable development. The demand of the sustainable development is very high in Nepal. So we should promote it and also support the awareness campaign, because awareness campaign helps to increase the motivation of the people, and they might be getting this in the sustainable development. We must accept the end of the something, because without the end of something there cannot be a new beginning. So by saying this much, I would like to conclude my speech here, and I hope so I am able to give some of the deserve some of the positivity, and I have gave you some knowledge about the sustainable development. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. I wish brilliant career in your future. Thank you very much. Good day to you. Good day to you, everybody.